Hello friends, in this lecture we will see contour milling, and under contour we have first option, that is cavity mill. See now my type is from mill planar to mill contour, and in mill contour I am going to use this cavity mill. Cavity mill is the most popular option for roughing in NX CAM. We can cut any kind of material in die mold and casting or any forging component with the help of this cavity mill. So select this cavity mill, and the same things we need in cavity mill. So I'm going to define workpiece and MCS. My MCS is at the top of this part here, and my workpiece is this, and I'm using blank as a bounding block. So this is the block. Okay, now for tool I'm using two tools. One is this, the smaller tool. Okay, and second, okay, and second is this. So I'm going to use this mill 2.0 for roughing first. So click here, and my sub type is cavity mill, and program folder check. I want to keep this program under this folder, and my tool is this 2.0 mill and roughing operation. So here in main we have to define the tool we have already selected. My cut pattern is follow part, so as per the part it will cut, and 50% is my step over, and depth of cut I'm using 1. Okay, and here I'm using depth first in cutting order, and containment. In containment, if you will select none, so it means the basic block which we have selected in workpiece, that is come directly in workpiece. And in geometry my part is specified, and the part stock is 0.75. Okay, and specify cut area. So if you will select the cutting area, the specific area will cut. If you will not select from this cut area, software automatically cut whole the part. Okay, let's see without this selection. The tool is bigger for some area, and now generate and verify it. So directly software has selected all the faces which are available in this part, and see the result. And if I'm going to select any specific area which I want to cut, I can select with this cut area. Okay, the same result I will get if I am going to select with this specific specify cut area, and my cut area is this all. Okay, I want to cut all this, and okay, and this time I'm going to change my cut pattern from follow part to follow periphery, and generate it again. And under cut level, keep this automatic, and maximum depth of cut is 1.0, which we have already specified. Okay. And under strategy, okay, we will see this trim option in next lecture. And reason sequencing is already optimized and we don't have multiple pocket here, so it will not work here. And let's see the simulation for this. Stock is 0.75 on all the walls. Okay. And okay. And I want to generate the program for this, so go to post processor and browse. Under resources, my program is that Fanuc. This is not the complete one. If I am going to select this, it will not generate because all the necessary file are not copied here. Okay, this one is okay. See, the toolpath is now ready. So this is the cavity mill.